G'day, it's Phil here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a mail call. I have received mail in the PO box, and I don't know who it's from. So let's open it up and see how we go. So it's quite unusual to get mail, but without any return address on it. So we'll quickly open it up, see what it is, and if we've got any other mail, we'll go on from there. Let's have a look. Oh, we have a note. It's hi Phil. Let's put it in screen. Hi Phil, you said that your latest 50-cent noodle that you are seeking the IATSIS and indigenous coins outside noodling. I have many of both of these and enclose one each of you for your collection. Best wishes, WF. WF, you've sent me stuff before that I haven't been able to figure out who you are, and you don't have a return address that I can send you things to, but I'm very, very appreciative, WF, of your the things that you sent me. But yes, that is correct. I do have sometimes a problem with the IATSIS coin and the International Year of Indigenous Languages. So you've sent me one of each of those. That's fantastic. As you know, I can't put it into the book, but definitely, yes, I don't have very many of them, and they will be very cherished in my collection. Thank you very much for sending those through to me. That's the International Year of Indigenous Languages from 2019. It's a very nice coin. The way it's orientated, you would think that that is what it looks like with the languages and the 50 cents, but so that there is no one language above another, it's been offset, and that's how it is supposed to look with the writing going up and down. So that's that coin, and that's the IATSIS coin, which is the Australian Institute of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders Studies, IATSIS, and that was the anniversary of that institution, 50th anniversary. There on the coin, it's not 1964 to 2014. There you go. But thank you very much, WWF. I wish I knew who you were, so that I could send you at least a sticker back to say thank you very much. But much appreciated. So thank you very much, WF. Now, I'm going to just put a pause there, and if there's any other mail, it'll come after this, but we'll see you in a second. And welcome back, and we have a little bit more mail again. So just after getting the mail from WF, we've got a couple of days later a bit of mail from Peter J. So it's okay to open it on camera. So we'll just have a look at what Peter J has sent to the channel. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Peter J and I were talking about the dinosaur collection that just came out at the Australia Post. And there we go. Peter J says, "G'day Phil, enjoy the dinosaur PNC. This is something that I haven't been able to source in the 4 or 5 different Australia Post shops that I've been to. Could not find it for love nor money. However, and I couldn't order it online either. There was none there. So Peter J was able to source it from his sources, and he's kindly sent me one. And this is the Australian Dinosaurs PNC. This was a PNC from there. You can see the 5th of September. It's in its little plastic case. I might take that out, get rid of the light flare for a little bit. Yeah, there we go. First day of issue, 5th of September 2022, and it has the Australovenator dinosaur on it with a envelope privy mark, and you can probably see that just down the bottom between its legs. So even though it came out at the same time as all the other dinosaur PNCs, the dinosaur PNCs that came out with this, not with this particular skull in it, but the different colour PNCs, were of the dinosaur collection for the uncirculated 4 coin collection. This one is the Privy Marks collection, and I've showed this one off before, but this has the 4 different dinosaurs on them. And this is the one that Australia Post sent out. So that's the one with the slightly yellow packaging, and that's the one with the slightly brown or teal packaging, and this doesn't have the Privy Marks on them. They're just clean dinosaur coins. And I heard from a viewer made a comment today, actually, that they picked up one of the dinosaur coins in their change today. So they're out and about in the change. But this is not the Privy Mark that's on here, or the coin that the Australovenator that is on this coin relates to the Australia's Dinosaurs Down Under that came out at the start of 2022, which was the 4-coin Privy Mark set for the 2022 mint mark. So this is the Australovenator with the C mint mark, the B Privy Mark, the M Privy Mark, and the S Privy Mark. So now I have also the envelope Privy Mark for Australia Post from the PNC. So that was all good. I did show you, I think, not that long ago, that I had also picked up the 150th anniversary of the Overland Telegraph with the envelope Privy Mark on it. And so if you're looking for all the $1 coins with the different Privy Marks and mint marks and so forth, you need to get the envelope one as well. You would have seen it probably on other channels. But that's a very generous gift, Peter, that you've sent me in the mail. Loving it, to complete the collection of all the dinosaurs for this year. So mail is complete, and that's pretty much it for the moment. I think there's not really much going to be coming through in September, so we might have to wait till October and see what other mail comes through. But thank you very much for watching my little 2 envelope mail run, and I will see you next time. Bye.